Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. Today we are going to learn about the number system. The method we use to represent numbers in different forms. Numbers are everywhere and computers use special number system to store and process data efficiently. In this video, we will explore the types of number systems like binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal and see how they work. Let's get started. What is number system? A number system is a way to represent or express numbers. It helps us write any quantity in a mathematical form so that it can be easily understood and used. In short, a number system is simply a method to show numbers in different forms. Importance of number system. Numbers are used for counting, measuring and doing calculations. In computers and digital electronics, a number system is needed to perform all these calculations. Computers specially use the binary number system, which consists of only zeros and ones, to carry out all their functions and operations. There are different types of number systems used to represent numbers. The most common ones are binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. Each system has its own set of symbols and rules for representing numbers. These number systems are mainly different because of their base, also called radix, which tells us how many unique digits they use. The binary system has base 2 and uses only the digits 0 and 1. The octal system has base 8 and uses digits from 0 to 7. The decimal system, which we use in everyday life, has base 10 and uses digits from 0 to 9. Finally, the hexadecimal system has base 16 and uses digits from 0 to 9 along with A to F, where A means 10 and F means 15. Each system plays an important role in computing and digital applications. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on number system. We learned about binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal and saw how each of them is used. I hope this session helped you understand the basics clearly. Thank you so much for listening and being part of this learning journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more interesting lessons. See you in the next video.